Welcome back to rTech. Today we're going to review the Havit mechanical keyboard. So I got this from AliExpress at about $1,800 on a sale. One of the cheapest available mechanical keyboards you can get. It has just 87 keys, so there's no number lock pad in case you're used to that. And it comes in the nice black box like this. It says game note for some reason on that. And once you open that black box, you get this nice red coloring inside. And this is the KB435L model. And obviously this keyboard is driverless, so you don't need to add any drivers or install any kind of drivers. And anti-ghosting for all keys, as all the keys are actually mechanical on this one. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this one right now. Opening up the box, you'll see a nice foam cover inside, and inside that there's a keyboard. So let's just keep that aside for a second. So under that there's a manual, a very simple paper manual. It says Havit user manual, and there's a key removal tool as well inside. So let's just keep these aside and open the actual keyboard. And it really is tiny to look at it. Okay, so that's a nice black finish. It's got a metal plating, so it's very sturdy. The keys are very chunky, and it's the model number KB435L, and it's written at the back as well. And the keys are really dark. You cannot see them, indoors without the backlight on. So just remember that. It's a good solid finish at the back. And of course there's a good amount of throw on these keys, and the gaps make them very evident. They also make it easy to clean, they claim. And the keys are nice and clicky. I like the finish. It's got really good finish. And yes, there's plenty of gap below the keys. So easy to clean. So it comes with a braided USB cable, and that's a good thing, because in case you start pulling the keyboard a little further, it could kind of damage some of the older keyboards which have regular wires. But this has got a braided cable for the keyboard, so that's really nice. And of course you can't remove the cable because it's fixed. Okay, I'm just quickly looking at the manual to look at the combinations it has. It's got plenty of combinations. You can even record your own combination of lighting for this keyboard. And pressing the function key along with F9 changes the modes into different colors. I'm going to show that to you in a minute. Okay, there's an option to reduce the brightness and increase the brightness in case you find them too bright, these keys. Of course, each of the rows have their own light color, so you can't change the color combinations of the existing keys. But they all have different colors, right? Starting from orange and it ends at blue. So you have all these colors in between. And the keys are really beautifully laser cut. So let's have a look at some of the combinations, preset combinations of lighting on the keyboard. You pretty much won't use this, but it's got some good funny combinations and very good looking ones. And there's one which has this wave pattern. It's also got side waves coming from both corners. And then there's a mode where you get the light only when you touch the key. Again, it's fun to do that, but no practical use, to be honest. And then you have another combination where they have light gliding through the keyboard. It's good use of lighting when your keyboard is idle. It's only going to make it look better. And then you have the slow breathing mode. Of course, you can record your own combinations and have some crazy lighting schemes. I like this mode though. It lets the light stay, and you just click on the keys. It's going to tell you which keys you pressed. The Windows light remains on the Windows button, just to let you know that that's one of the keys there. And of course the various combinations change. It's just too addictive to play with this for some time. And this is just like under 2,000 bucks. So let's hear how the keyboard sounds. Let me know what you guys think. It sounds amazing. So it's actually using a new switch under the keyboard. It's called the KAI head switch. Low profile switches. That's about 3 mm of travel. Makes that unique sound as you press the key. And it's useful for both gaming as well as typing. Anyways, I enjoyed using this keyboard and it sounds incredibly amazing. Now here's the tool, and we'll just try removing one of the keys, and it's very simple. You just lock it onto one of the keys you want to remove, and then just plug out the key. It exposes the switch at the bottom and doesn't cause any damage to it. So, and the key still works. So that's the best part. So plugging it back is so simple. Just take the key, push it back, and it should start working. These are cut so beautifully. So all you're going to do is just put it back in its place, and then just give it a gentle press, and it's back to working. So it's as simple as that. Let's remove another key, and it's the same thing that happens. It's a tool with the key. Just put that back. Here's another thing. Look at the footprint it's got along with the regular keyboard. It's actually not so high. I mean, there are keyboards which are fatter than this, but here's the difference. So this is a regular keyboard, and next to it is the Havit mechanical keyboard on the right, and you can see that the height is almost about a centimeter more than the regular keyboard. So why would you buy one of these? Well, first of all, it sounds amazing, and the click of the keys is great. You get that nice feeling that you're actually pressing the key, and it's the build. To be honest, it's got really good build. It's got this metal plate on it so that it's very sturdy. Mechanical keyboards last a little longer than the regular keyboards. Any gamer would tell you that. And this one comes with a switch that is a combo, so it's good for gaming as well as typing. And those who are looking for a mechanical keyboard, trust me, the backlighting on this is really nice for the price you pay. Any kind of keyboard you get on Amazon here is really, really expensive. This is less than 2,000 and does a great job. It's definitely a recommended buy for anyone looking for a good typing or a gaming experience keyboard. I'll leave links in the description in case you want to know where you get the product and how to buy it. Right. So that's my short review on the Havit mechanical keyboard, the 87 keys, and do let me know what you guys think. Please like, subscribe, leave your comments if you have any doubts, and I'll be ready to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.